So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize the soften effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu, and then I'm going to go around onto import right here. Then I'm simply going to go ahead and import out an image right here, just like this, that I want to apply the soften effect to. So once I go around over here and to apply the soften effect to it, I need to go around onto the effects menu, and then I need to go around onto blur, and then I need to choose soften right here. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that it softens out the pixels right here. So if I were to decrease out the level of percentage right here, you can see that you see the jagged pixels right here. But if I were to go ahead and increase this out, you can see that you can soften it out right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and soften out the pixels and get out a much more smoother look out of images by utilizing the soften effect. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.